Hey everyone, Dean here, and let's be real for a second. Who here hasn't struggled with focus? In a world overflowing with distractions, staying on track, whether it's for work, studies, or even just having a mindful moment, can feel like an uphill battle. That's where the power of meditation comes in. But not just any meditation, we're diving into a science-backed technique specifically designed to sharpen your focus and skyrocket your productivity. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 super practical, easy to follow steps to incorporate this game-changing meditation into your daily routine. Whether you're a student battling deadlines, an entrepreneur chasing dreams, or anyone looking to reclaim control over their attention, this one's for you. Let's get started. Alright, step 1 to unlocking laser-like focus through meditation is all about setting the stage. And no, you don't need a fancy meditation room or anything like that. We're talking about finding a quiet space where you can dedicate a few minutes to yourself without being disturbed. Think about it. Our minds are constantly bombarded with notifications, messages, and the general hustle and bustle of life. To give meditation a real shot at working its magic, we need to create a little sanctuary, a mini vacation for our minds. This could be your bedroom, a cozy corner in your living room, or even your backyard if the weather permits. The key is to minimize distractions. Silence your phone, let your family or roommates know you need a few minutes of quiet time, and close the door if you can. Remember, this isn't about being antisocial, it's about being pro-you. It's about carving out some dedicated time to invest in yourself, your well-being, and ultimately your ability to focus and achieve your goals. Even if it's just for 5 minutes, creating that separation between the demands of the outside world and your inner peace can make a world of difference. Trust me, your mind will thank you for it. So find your quiet space, and let's move on to step 2. Now that you've found your focus sanctuary, let's talk about step 2, setting a timer. I know, timers might not sound very zen or meditative, but trust me on this one. When you're first starting out with meditation, it's easy for your mind to wander off, thinking about to-do lists, that funny cat video you saw online, or what you're having for dinner. A timer acts as a gentle anchor, bringing you back to the present moment without any pressure. Start with a manageable duration, like 5 minutes. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually increase the time, maybe to 7 minutes, then 10, and so on. The key is to listen to your body and mind. Don't put too much pressure on yourself to meditate for extended periods right away. Remember, consistency trumps duration, especially in the beginning. Think of it like building a muscle. You wouldn't try to bench press your body weight on the first day at the gym, right? It's about gradual progress and on building a sustainable habit. So set that timer, silence those mental alarms, and let's dive into the heart of the practice in step 3. Alright, we've created our quiet space, set our timer, and now it's time for the heart of the practice. Step 3, focusing on your breath. This is where the magic of meditation really starts to happen. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, and bring your attention to your breath. And notice the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. Feel the air entering your nostrils, gently expanding your chest, and then flowing out, releasing any tension. Don't try to control your breath. Just observe it without judgment. Think of your breath as an anchor grounding you in the present moment. Our minds are like curious puppies, constantly chasing after thoughts, worries, and distractions. Focusing on our breath is like gently guiding that puppy back to its bed, reminding it to stay present. As you focus on your breath, you might notice thoughts popping up. That's completely normal. Don't get discouraged or frustrated. Simply acknowledge the thought without getting carried away by it, and gently guide your attention back to your breath. It's like watching clouds drift by in the sky. You acknowledge their presence without getting caught up in them. This practice of observing and redirecting your attention is what strengthens your focus muscle. So, breathe in, breathe out, and let your breath be your guide to a calmer, more focused you. Now let's talk about step 4, which is all about acknowledging and releasing distractions. Because let's face it, even in our quiet sanctuary with our timer set and our focus on our breath, distractions are bound to pop up. Think of your mind as a busy street with thoughts coming and going like cars. Some thoughts are like smooth sailing vehicles, while others are like noisy trucks honking their horns, demanding your attention. The key here isn't to stop the traffic altogether. That's nearly impossible. Instead, it's about learning to observe the traffic flow without getting caught up in it. When a distraction arises, whether it's a nagging worry, a to-do list item, or that catchy song stuck in your head, simply acknowledge it. Say to yourself, there's that thought about work, or okay, I hear you song. Don't judge yourself for having these distractions. It's human nature. The important part is to not engage in a tug of war with them. Gently guide your attention back to your breath, your anchor in the present moment. This practice of acknowledging and releasing distractions during meditation translates directly into your daily life. You'll find yourself better equipped to handle distractions, whether it's a notification pinging on your phone or a chatty coworker. So, embrace the mental traffic, observe it without judgment, and gently steer your focus back to your breath. You've got this. Congratulations, you've made it to the final step, step 5, which is all about gradually increasing your meditation time. Remember how we started with just 5 minutes? Well, now that you've gotten the hang of it, it's time to level up your focus game. As you become more comfortable with the practice, try adding a minute or two to your meditation sessions every few days. Don't rush it. Listen to your body and mind. The goal is to make meditation a sustainable habit, not a chore. If you find yourself getting restless or your mind wandering excessively, simply return to your breath and refocus. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You wouldn't expect to reach the summit in one go. You'd take breaks, adjust your pace, and enjoy the journey along the way. The more you meditate, the more you'll notice the benefits in your daily life. You'll experience greater focus, improved concentration, and a sense of calm even amidst chaos. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. There's no right or wrong way to do it. The key is to be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the ride. So keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep leveling up your focus game. You got this. And there you have it. 5 simple yet powerful steps to meditate for better focus and productivity. Remember, consistency is key. Even dedicating a few minutes each day can make a world of difference. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who might benefit, and hit that subscribe button for more videos on unlocking your full potential. Until next time, stay focused, stay present, and keep shining bright.